DevTips. Yes, today is a fantastic day, especially here on the internet, in the YouTube. We're looking at another set of pull requests from the community to the artist theme. Let's not spend too much time talking about what that is. We've already seen what pull requests are, but I'm so excited to look at them. And what's cool about them is when I look through your pull requests, I'm like, oh, that's a great idea. Like, I'm like learning so much, and I want to share that with the rest of you guys who are not browsing the pull requests on the artist theme. You don't need to, I'm just saying. If you're not, you're missing out. Oh, anyway, here we are. Let's do this. This is awesome. A lot of these are really simple and obvious kind of things that I totally just missed in the videos, and you guys are picking up my slack. So the first one here, update index.html. What he's doing is this, and this one is from Jay Grimshaw. Jay Grimshaw is just updating the character set from what I had here, a little bit more complex and kind of outdated, to a more, you know, simplified and HTML5 kind of friendlier version. And I don't need to test that. I kind of know that it is what I want. So I am just going to go into his what's it called? Oh, and he gives an explanation. I asked him to, you know, explain what the difference is, but he explains it, and I think it's good. I'm going to say, cool, bro. Merged. And I'm going to merge. Whoa. Oh, I should. I'll put my cool bro merge right here. There we are. Merged. Now let's go back and see what else we can do. Okay. Forgotten the title and the liquid loops. This is funny. I didn't realize this, but I had actually forgotten to title the website. So the whole thing, the whole time up here it says localhost. That's because there's no title in the in the site. So right up here, head, title, it's blank. So what Vizzy, is this his real name? His real name? Vipul Bansal. Okay, this guy. Vipul Bansal says that we should just put the settings title right in there, and that's a fantastic idea. He also comes in, and you know all those 10 spans I put there for the skill units? He reduces the markup a bit by writing a liquid loop, which, you know, I didn't know about, and that's fantastic. I'm learning. So I'm going to accept this right away to merge, and I'll say great additions. Thanks so much. Comments? Confirmed. Okay, done. Next one, fix the face image graphical bug and make some Sass files easier to read. Okay, so a lot of what he's doing here is just kind of like taking these repetitive background repeat, background size, background position, and using the Sass shorthands of background, repeat, size, position, blend mode, right? And that's cool. He does it a few times, and down here it gets really beneficial when he starts actually like right here and stuff. He fixes a problem. Here's the problem that he was fixing. When I go down to my face and I squeeze this browser in, look at that circle. It becomes like an oblong square-ish kind of rounded square, and that was a bug. That's my mistake, and I was planning on going to fix it, but you know, with community members like you guys, I don't even have to fix this stuff. You guys are picking up my slack, and it's awesome. So okay, so yeah, here he is fixing that, saying that oh no, wait, where is it? Removing width auto is what's going to fix that, I think. Anyway, I don't even have to worry about it because you guys did it for me. Let's commit this. Conversation merged. Bam. Bam. Super. Commit. This is really helpful. Super. Cool. Donezo. Next. Clean up hacked CSS. Oh, I'm going to skip this one, and this one because they're a little bit more involved. and I actually want to talk to the two contributors, Custodian and Z-Design. They did so. I mean, these three pull requests. You can see this one has 39 comments. We've been talking through it quite a bit, but they've done some really cool work, and I want to save those for later a little bit. This video is a little bit more of like the quicker, like fixing my mistakes and just kind of like things like that video. So that's these three. Adding a description to install. This is really helpful. So what Ricardo is doing, Ricardo is from the last video, that, you know, our Italian friend. Ricardo makes a really cool you know, a description in the README for people who are just finding the artist theme, or you guys coming from, like, helping you guys to set up and install and get started with your install. I've read it. It looks good. It sounds great. So I'm gonna accept that one. Thanks, Ricardo. All right, and next we have make the inline SVG parent element, make the inline SVG fill the parent element by default. Okay, so what he's talking about, parent element. So what he's talking about is right here. You'll notice that my mouse turns into a pointer right about there, and coming in there, like right about there. So it's like a square like this big, which is really weird. And what's happening is the actual SVG is poking out of its parent. So its parent is just this little square, and the actual SVG like container box is poking out really far. And what Custodian does, oh, he has a video. Well, how helpful. Is that like a little GIF? Oh, I see what you did, and I like it. Cool, Custodian. Thank you so much for doing that. That's awesome. So we talked about it a little bit, and he kind of fixed that up. So I'm really excited to have that. Thanks so much for being incredible. Spell check. I can't even talk much. Okay. Confirmed. Optimize SVG. Again, Custodian, you are incredible. Do you have a real name, Custodian? Nope. You're so mysterious, bro. Cleaned up with SVG Go. So that's cool. Just made our file size smaller from 5 kilobytes to 2 kilobytes. Saving me some I don't even know what to write. Nice save. Like it's like a basketball game or like a football game. Like nice save. Super duper. Super. I don't know why this is funny. I'm sorry. Super cool moves. Cool. Why is it caps lock? Okay. Super cool moves. That's so stupid. Sorry, Custodian, for that stupid comment. That doesn't even make sense, but I've just merged like 5 things ahead of you, and now it's just kind of getting ridiculous. Okay. Just fixed a spelling mistake. So this is this spelling mistake is the name of the scrolling function, and the scrolling function was contributed by Aerial Safari, and you'll remember that video like 3 or 4 videos ago. That was after we made the about section, and then Aerial Safari contributed this kind of auto scroll feature for our navigation, which is such a cool commit. But I'm not sure. See, I didn't fix this myself because I didn't know if it was like, I don't know where Aerial Safari is from, like if this is how you spell scroll or if this was an honest spelling mistake. But either way, we're gonna fix that just by saying, yup. Wait, merge can't automatically merge. Just fix it. Why can't it merge? Oh, we have a conflict. Did somebody else fix it? Let's move past it. I'll ask him to pull in the other. I think that's what happens since I'm pulling in a lot of things right now. I think the reason that was unable to be, actually, let's just check. I'm curious now. Let's check our artist theme, assets, JS. Did somebody already fix that? Smooth scroll. Nope. Huh. Well, either way, I'll talk to him and maybe he can pull and then recommit and it should work. Because I don't want those conflicts, baby. Pull request. Okay. Adjusted the settings blurb to use Markdown and make the settings.yaml easier to read. So, what's your name? Sometimes they have their actual name here. Sometimes it's their kind of screen name. But Bezerangui. I don't know how to say anybody's name. I feel so ridiculous when I try to do things. But anyway, so what this gentleman does is makes it so the blurb that, and I use a standard HTML markup in the blurb. He makes it possible to use markup, which may be easier for people to read who are not super code savvy, which I'm not sure if they would want even this theme, because I mean, you know, Jekyll and the whole video series that we're doing, but it's cool, and I like learning. I didn't know that you could markdownify stuff in the middle of this, so this is cool. Like, so these pull requests are not just to like make things awesomer, but also to teach me stuff, because like I'm learning so much from you guys. I'm not even joking about this, so I like this. Let's do it. I will accept your commit, sir. That sounds like a good message. I will accept your commit, sir. Boop, boop, boop. Right. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, we have 4 left. I don't know why this one didn't work. Contributing guidelines. And so these two are similar and they cover one of the same topics. So I want to talk to both of the guys that did it and figure out who they agree which one I should pull. And then this one, contributing guidelines, I really like the idea. Custodian wants to make like contributing pull requests like a little bit more formalized, but he is also adding Vagrant and Bundler, which are like a little bit more setup complexity there, and I wanted to avoid that, so I want to talk to him. And then clean up the hacks CSS. You guys check out Z-Design's commit here. I'll put the commit in the video. It's so crazy. It's got like 19 files changed. He's adding several different animation options. He's like doing so many different crazy things. Yeah, anyway, we've been talking a while about all of his changes. That's it for this video. We're just doing pull requests today, and come back on Monday for another full-length video. We're gonna start doing the what? We're gonna start doing the I don't know, the next section, which is like, is it the context section? I don't know. Check back on Monday for the next video because it should probably be great. What a like resounding affirmation of what we're doing here. It should probably be great. Alright guys, keep on hacking.